Good morning. We will start the morning call. US markets were marginally negative yesterday, while Asian markets are up around 0.5% this morning. The month of February saw global indices drop around 3%. Sensex and Nifty continued their downward trend to close in the red for eighth day in a row yesterday, and SGX Nifty is indicating a flattish to negative opening this morning. On global news, Chinese economy is picking up momentum with manufacturing PMI rising to 52.6 in February versus 50.1 in January, and estimate was of 50.6. This rapid increase month on month is because of a couple of reasons. Firstly, the opening up of the economy post-COVID. The government over there is saying that COVID is practically over now. And secondly, they are returning back from the annual vacation season, which happens every year in February. So people are coming back to work, jobs, and traveling is increasing. India's GDP grew at 4.4% in the December quarter against expectation of 4.7% on the back of a contraction in manufacturing by 1%, and even the private consumption expenditure growth slowed down to just 2%. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Thank you, Jihan. Good morning, all of you. This is Ayush Mehta. So we are seeing a selling pressure in Nifty from almost last trading sessions, and in yesterday's session, Nifty has broken its 200 DMA and closing basis also. So Nifty is looking weak at the current levels, but the immediate trendline support lies at Nifty at 17,230, and if we witness a closing below that, then Nifty might test 17,150 to 17,000 levels in the coming sessions. Moving on to Bank Nifty. Comparatively, Bank Nifty showed a positive move in yesterday's session. Bank Nifty has taken a support of its downward sloping channel, but we have to see whether the Bank Nifty can sustain the rally or not. But today, the immediate support for Bank Nifty is currently placed at 40,200, followed by 40,000. And if 40,000 is broken, then 39,700 to 39,500 levels will be seen. And if Bank Nifty continues its rally, then the immediate resistance is placed at 40,700, followed by 41,000. Moving on to Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Financial Services has shown a similar move like Nifty, and the immediate support in the downside is placed at 17,900, followed by 17,840. Whereas the upside resistance is at 18,060 to 18,130. So coming to the stocks, it is going to be a very stock specific market. Only a few sectors are performing these days. So we have a short call here. We have already initiated a short call in ITC. ITC is looking weak at current levels. We recommend ITC to reach around 362 with a stop loss of 390. We already initiated a buy call on this. Sorry, a sell call on this. We request derivatives guys to take the call forward now.
Yeah, thank you, Ayush. See, on the derivative front, the indicators, the one thing is there that the open interest has risen a lot in the last 2 or 3 days. That means, some short build-up has happened, but the VIX hasn't really increased that much. Also, PCR is way below the oversold zone. So, we do expect, some sort of a good bounce back action for Nifty in the near term. We believe 17,200 and 17,000 are the two important support areas for Nifty, and that is where the bounce should come in from. So not very far from a good support buying range. This is all in all, a good level to start buying from a near-term perspective, where we can expect a bounce of more than 400, 500 points from here. Some short covering action should set in soon. Having said that, open interest in Bank Nifty has risen quite a lot as well in the last couple of trading sessions. So, probably the more aggressive of the two indices would be Bank Nifty, and first it has to fall. So, for the next couple of days, probably Bank Nifty will be more aggressive in falling, and it can probably test the 39,000, 38,500 odd level. So, look out for the same. And most of the banks also have a lot of open interest built up. There is a chance that, private as well as PSUs will fall together. If you have longs in Bank Nifty, just hedge your positions or exit them and look to buy again after a couple of days of fall. Now, looking at the stock specific data, uh, PSU stocks continue to do well, and other than banks, most of the PSU stocks should move up. So the likes of ONGC, GAIL, Coal India, all of them should continue to do well. Gujarat Gas has witnessed a lot of open interest built up yesterday, so there is a good chance that this stock will also move up. An important resistance also has been broken of 500 odd. So it can probably do pretty well coming up. So also Power Grid is one stock which is witnessing a lot of short covering action. So that can be one of the stocks where further buying can come in. So the theme for this month at this point of time, for the next few days seems to be PSU. So concentrate on buying PSU stocks. It should pay a good dividend. Yeah. Thank you very much. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Yeah. Today, one IPO will be opening for subscription called DivG Talk Transfer Systems, and it will be closing on Friday, the 3rd of March. Price band is 560 to 590. Total issue size is 412 crores, constituting almost 50-50 between fresh issue and OFS. Company makes talk transfer systems, which is nothing but the powertrain system that moves the vehicle forward. This is a complex product to manufacture. The company's edge is its ability to develop and provide transmission solutions, which is backed by its in-house software development capability. So very few companies are able to make this kind of powertrain system. Apart from Bosch, nobody in India really, at least Indian company doesn't make this kind of product except for DivG Talk Transfer. So M&M is the largest customer with almost 70-75% of sales, and company is witnessing good growth as it supplies manual transmission system for XUV 700, whose sales are expected to accelerate strongly in FY24. So next year growth will be strong because of this. Also beyond this, going forward, there will be two more growth drivers beyond FY24. Company will focus on the fast growing SUV segment, where majority of sales are for automatic gear transmission cars. So currently, nobody in India, manufactures automatic transmission gear systems. They are imported directly from Japan or Korea, and the cost being upwards of 1 lakh rupees for each system. Divji has already developed this product, and it will start selling this product after in a year or two. And the cost will be around 20% cheaper compared to imported price. So company expects good business from this product. And secondly, it has already been awarded a contract for supply of EV transmission systems from Tata Motors. This will also propel growth beyond FY24. We believe company is being offered at reasonable valuation at 39 times FY22 earnings, which is almost in line with all other top tier auto ancillary companies. While growth we feel here will be faster than other peers. So that is why we recommend subscribing to the issue. You should take it as a play going forward on the automatic SUVs and EVs in the Indian automobile industry. So that's it from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. Shree Cement emerged as the highest bidder for Datima coal mine block located in Chhattisgarh. The mine has geological reserves of 13.3 million tons. So this is positive for Shree Cement. Thank you.
Since there is nobody from the commodities team, I think we can end.
Hello.
Harshal, yeah, Harshal is there. Yeah, Harshal, you can take over. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Jan. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, there might be some upside in metals and gold and silver. However, some cautious should be maintained. So gold can test 56,000, 56,100 on higher end. But all in all, there could be some profit taking from these levels. So buying with cautious is advised, and initially one can buy around 55, 700 to 600 levels and maintain a stop loss of 55, 400. Silver also we expect prices to test 65, 200 to 65, 500 levels on higher end. So buying is advised at 64 500 and maintain a stop loss of 64,000. Crude oil prices are expected to rise, and one can initiate a buy around 63.70 to 63.50 and maintain a stop loss of 6,300. So all in all, prices are expected to test 65.70 to 6,600. Natural gas, yesterday we have seen some cool off, and buying around 215 to 230 13 is recommended and maintain a stop loss of 200. So fresh buying is expected above 225 on closing basis. So that could lead to a rise in price till 250 rupees. So buying is recommended on lower level. In copper, we have seen a massive rally, and prices might test 770 on higher end, but cautious is maintained over these levels, as this could lead to selling pressures. So selling around 770 is recommended and maintain a stop loss of 760. Sorry, 776. In zinc, buying is recommended at 267 levels. So buy for the target of 272 to 74 levels. And similarly, aluminum also we recommend to go long, and prices are expected to test 211 to 213 levels. So buy with a stop loss of 207. That's it from us. Thank you very much.